This isn't gonna work well.
It's fun.
Sometimes I get a lot done.
And I want to get going right now.
And sometimes I don't. It's not you, it's me. But every time, it's my railroad. Hey, welcome to It's My Railroad, the how-to show for regular people. This show is about a regular guy building his model railroad because I'm just a regular guy building my model railroad. Oh, I gotta tell you though, we sure have a lot of fun on this channel. We share experiences, we learn from each other, and it's really a good time. So if you're into that sort of thing, why not just subscribe? And then don't forget to push that little bell icon so you can catch future videos. Just before we get rolling, a quick shout out to 4 people who hold my feet to the fire, encourage me, and inspire me to keep going no matter how bad it gets, making these model railroad videos. You know, I got into this community to be part of a community, and these 4 electronic brothers of mine have never let me down. During the course of the week, we hang out and beat up on each other like brothers, and we encourage each other like family, and they only ever thumbs down one of my videos when they feel like being psychopathic brutes, just like all the other people who thumbs down my videos. Anyway, you people already know who these people are. It's Ron at Ron's Trains and Things, Eric Hall at IMRRO, Joe Garassi, and of course, Stephen Atwell over at Midwest Model Railroad. I have links in the description to places where you can see their content or find what they have to offer to this wonderful community. So if you get a chance, go down there, make a click. You won't be disappointed. But to you 4 brothers, thank you. All right, rail fans, let's get into this. As you recall, this is where we left off last week. Since that time, I've managed to get this done. That's because I got zippity-doo-dah done on the layout since last week. Now, some of you have been asking, what's it like to be moving and working on a layout and all that kind of stuff? And here's the deal. It's not easy. At any moment, I could get a phone call that says people are going to come look at this house. And because of that, the wife and I have developed something we call the 10-minute drill. And I'm going to show it to you right now. Hey, welcome to It's My Railroad, the how-to show for regular people. On this show, Steve Brown. What, right now? All right. 10-minute drill! Well, there you go. That's me on the 10-minute drill. I get a call and we pack it up and we leave the house and we come back and we set it up again. Not tons of fun. The good news is we've accepted an offer on our house. We've made an offer on another house and things are grand. Somewhere between Thanksgiving and Christmas, I'll be moving this layout somewhere else. Whew, won't that be a whole lot of fun? I promise you I document it and I will. What this means to me and you and why I'm wearing a Hawaiian shirt is 2 things. One, this coming Friday, I get on a big old jet airliner go to Maui with the wife for a week. That's exciting. The bad news is it's really tough to work on this layout right now. The tools I need, the materials I need, and the mess that it makes make it really tough. So I'm not certain how many It's My Railroad updates we're going to be able to do over the next couple or 3 weeks. Now, it's kind of tough to say that because I am so used to hanging out with you guys every single week with this layout. And it's just not going to be practical, I don't think, for the next 2 or 3 weeks. And again, I hope you'll forgive me for that. I'm going to do as much as I can. I will continue videoing because, listen, I work on my layout even without you. Hello. Anyway, and then when the time comes, hopefully I'll be able to start showing you those videos. We'll get back into the spirit of things and have a good time. But anyway, you know, this isn't always the kind of thing we do here on Sidetracked, It's My Railroad, and Tracks Back, but we really have a good time. It's all about regular people building model railroads. So if you're into that sort of thing, why not subscribe? Then make sure you like and share this video with somebody. Don't forget to connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you tune in this coming Saturday for the live Hawaiian Tracks Back. And until next time, thank you so much for being with me here today. My name is Steve Brown. Rail on, my friends.